Hey, welcome to this video. Right now I am gonna show you how to set up MissionPlanner and RealFlight to work together. This could be a great solution if you are just starting to learn ArduPilot and want to see the actual output from the model. Trust me, with this type of software, being able to simulate flight and test your settings without risking your real drone is quite a thing. There are not too many proper guides on YouTube for that, so I hope you will support this video by hitting like and subscribe button underneath the video. After you have MissionPlanner and RealFlight installed, model needs to be prepared. For that, we go to the browser, first Google, type MissionPlanner. This is an ArduPilot main site. You can download the latest firmware here. And in general, this is gonna be your best friend for solving a lot of the question. Okay, next, we type here RealFlight, enter. This is going to lead us to this page here, MissionPlanner simulation. You can read stuff here, but we are gonna scroll all the way down. Using SITL with RealFlight. This is the main article you're gonna use, so you can come back to it if missing on something. To continue, we are looking for a model part. We are going to use this GitHub link to download the model. Here you can find all the models that were optimized to work with RealFlight. They all should work, but no, I found myself lucky with the base phantom-like drone. We go here, Multi-copters, Quadcopter X. Here we need to download two files to our PC. One we are going to use as a flight controller parameters file for the MissionPlanner. And another one for RealFlight as a drone model. Okay, prep is done. We don't need all of that anymore. But again, you can always come back to it more if something is not working. Okay, after that, then launch RealFlight. RC. Yeah. You need to turn on RC. Makes sense. By the way, you can use a gamepad, it works just fine for that. In RealFlight itself, you need to make sure two parameters are set right. You go to Settings, Physics, Quality. This parameter RealFlight link need to be enabled. And we need this. Power sim when in background. We need to be disabled. Rest is okay. You also want to check that your RC works fine. You want to have 8 channels just to cover the mode switch basically. In terms of the settings, they should be good. The only thing left is to upload the proper model from the file we had downloaded. We go to the main menu, My RealFlight, Import. Here. And here is our model. Seems like I had it before, but we will still gonna override it. Successfully import. And we need to upload our custom model. Here is our drone. It looks the same, but its behavior is a mess. This is because it still did not get a proper signal from the flight controller. We'll fix it. Let's make windows fit. Like that. We need to launch the Mission Planner. All defaults. Joystick settings should do bind sync automatically. We go to the simulation tab. Here in the model menu, we hit flight axis and a huge multi-rotor button, stable. After that, you should get the notification in RealFlight and in the Mission Planner. If there is no action being done, just hit space in RealFlight menu to reset. Worst case, just close Mission Planner and do simulation from the start. In our case, we can see that the model is positioned well, and we even got a telemetry output in Mission Planner. We need to load setting from the second file we had prepared. We go to config, hit full parameter list, and this, load from file. Here, the one we downloaded before. Hit yes. A few clicks through. Skip the one are coming with the mistakes. In the list, you will see parameter highlighted green. These are parameters that were changed but were not applied. We need to hit right parameter so change have an effect. Now they have been applied. It might ask for a reboot, but reset with the space button in RealFlight works as well. We go to data, actions, try to arm, it is aren't. We can take off. We can switch modes. But yeah, its behavior is still not good. This has a quick fix. We go back to config. And here, in extended tuning, we want to kill a few lines to their minimum. And hit right parameters. Easy fix. Well, looks way better now. If pro are gonna be passing through this video, please leave ideas on how to make it behave even better. But for now, this is completely okay. As a supervised tend to learn and test Mission Planner should be good. Just as a sample, you can try out fly here just like this. You can set different camera angles. This one is used just for a demo purpose. You can anytime command to return to launch, or else. You just need to play. In this way, you can learn and discover a lot of things. You get the point. Okay, that's it. Hope this video was helpful. Hit like and subscribe for more. Write comments. Thank you. Ciao!